In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blank pages in WPS Office Mobile. This is a simple but very useful feature, especially if you are editing documents on your phone and need extra space for new content. Whether you are working on school requirements, office documents, or personal files, knowing how to properly insert a blank page can help keep your document clean, organized, and easy to read. To begin, make sure you are already inside the document where you want to add a new blank page. Scroll through your file and decide exactly where the new page should appear. This is important because the blank page will be added based on your current position in the document. Once you are in the correct spot, look at the bottom part of the screen and find the plus sign. This plus sign opens additional document options that are commonly used while editing. After tapping the plus sign, focus on the menu that appears and tap the three dots option. This opens more tools related to page and layout controls. From this menu, tap the option labeled Blank Page. As soon as you select it, a new blank page will be inserted into your document at your current position. This method is quick and works well when you want to clearly separate sections, add new content, or prepare space for future edits. There is also another option available in the same menu that works similarly. Instead of tapping Blank Page, you can tap Page Break. Using a page break also creates a new blank page by pushing the content after it onto the next page. This option is helpful if you want more control over how your content flows without manually adjusting spacing. Both options achieve the same result, so you can choose whichever feels more comfortable or fits your editing style. The key thing to remember is that you should always double-check your position in the document before adding a blank page to avoid disrupting your layout. Once the blank page is added, you can immediately start typing, formatting text, or inserting images as needed. This makes document editing on mobile much more efficient and less frustrating. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.